Next to me, we have a Golf 7 RSI. Let me explain. I should start off by clarifying, this is a 7 TSI. You cannot tell, but let's talk about the conversion now. Firstly, your LED sequential headlights from a 7.5 GTI, which you can tell because of this red stripe. Your front bumper is from a 7.5R, and your logo, your VW logo, is from an 8R. I will say, all of these come from different cars, but when put together, it looks absolutely stunning. A back that even your girlfriend would be jealous of. We should talk about the conversion. Firstly, your rear bumper, straight out of a 7 GTI, and it surrounds these beautiful akrapovic stainless steel tips. Your tail lights are straight out of a 7.5R. This is not a stock spoiler. This is not a stock rear diffuser. And you also do get F1 lights because you will dust everybody on the road. Now bear with me. I found these glasses in the car. I thought I looked beautiful. But anyways, in front of me, the steering wheel, straight out of a 7R. This is not a stock TSI steering wheel. They also come with aluminium paddle shifters in blue because that's just much more beautiful. Your radio is an Android radio. I have my personal opinions, but I will keep quiet. And lastly, straight out of a GTI, straight out of a 7 GTI. What a car.
Now let's talk about the power. All right, this baby right here is a stage 1 DSG tune, which saves the clutch on these cars. You better pay attention. Also, it has a downpipe and a catless back, making 135 from 110 with pops and bangs.
Now that we have both of them aside, do you think this is better than that? And would you do the same with your TSI? Please let me know down in the comment section. Anyways, thank you for watching the video. We had a great time, right? Thank you for watching.